In this video, we're going to be talking about repairing an air compressor. Before I get to that, if you subscribe, you'll have a chance to win a 25-foot air hose that I'll send to you. So anyway, this particular air compressor, it started making a high-pitched whining noise when the motor was running, and at the same time, it would start to bog down after about a minute or two. It almost sounded like the thing was going to seize. So I stopped using it and called the manufacturer, and they gave me a couple of ideas as to what it could be. But the first thing we need to do at this point really is just we need to take the cover off and see what we're dealing with. These air compressors are fairly simple. You have a pump and motor assembly, and you have a couple of gauges and valves, and just some seals that keep the air from leaking out. It's really fairly simple. It's just a few parts. And in this case, when I was talking to the manufacturer, Campbell Hausfeld, on the phone, they said, well, it could be this part in here, it could be that part in there, it could be this seal. You know, and this thing's 16 years old. And to replace this entire unit, it would probably cost me $350 to $400. The tank is in good condition. Everything else seems to work. So rather than just try to figure out which individual part within here is the problem, when the next part could fail another month from now, for $133 I can replace this whole thing and basically have a brand new air compressor. The thing is this is the simplest thing to do. You have a screw here, you have a screw on this side, and you pull off the exhaust tube, and that's pretty. And other than two wires, which make sure you label them before you remove them so you know where the new ones are supposed to go. That's pretty simple. We'll show you how to do that. So let's start taking this pump and motor assembly off and get the new one back on here. Now we have to take off the exhaust tube. So before we reconnect the exhaust tube, we want to fit this replacement gasket over there because the other one, 15 or 16 years old, was corroded, and we definitely want to get a new one in here to protect the seal. Okay, we're just going to reconnect the wires now. Okay, we got the hose attached, we got it plugged in, so let's flip it on and give it a try. Right. Well, this was a successful job. We basically refurbished an older air compressor for just about $135. I think it was a great project, something that really anyone can do. All we had was this screw here, one on the other side, this fitting, and two wires. It was pretty simple, and no need to open this up and replace gaskets and pistons and other things like that. It was just a pretty simple project and well worth it. So thanks for watching. I hope you found some value in this, and please subscribe. Thank you.